Hi guys, my name is Dave. I'll just give you a rundown on Ainara. Ainara have just released version 0.93, and you can download that from GitHub in Promo Labs Ainara releases. So if you go in there, you'll be able to see the latest update. And just with Ainara, and I have it running at the moment. So here it is here now, it's in my taskbar. So here we got Ainara Polaris version 0.93. Okay, now if I right click this, if I click it, you will see the com ring. So this is Ainara enabled on the screen. Okay, and if I just go back up here again and right click, and these are all the LLM models that I have installed. And now some of them are local and some are cloud based. So I can switch between an LLM model and depending on what I want to use it for. So with the local ones here, this one is a recommended model here by Ainara, and the Quen 3 1.7B. I only have a 4 gig GPU and card on my laptop here, so I'm kind of using that. And so look, I have DeepSeek enabled there, but I'm going to change it to Grok 4 fast non-reasoning. Okay, so as you can see there, switch to that model. Okay, now I'll just drill into the setup first just to show you. So we go setup. Okay, now that we're in here, gives you a brief description on how to configure. You go into your Erlama setup, and within here, it'll recommend a GPU, and depending on your GPU, it'll recommend a model for you to use if you're going local. So these are the models that I have installed here. And in order to install a model, it's simple. You just go over to the Olama hub, okay, and just say if you want the DeepSeek, just say if you have a big 12, 12 gig GPU, and go in here, select that model, the 14B, if you wanted to try that one, and you just basically copy that, okay, paste that in here, and then download that model, okay. I'm not going to do that because my laptop won't be able to that. So in here now, this is where we have the cloud LLM providers. Okay, now Ainara has featured models up at the top, and the Grok 4 Fast and the non-reasoning. I have that one already installed. So as you can see, it's high speed, high intelligence, and low price. And the DeepSeek is another one that I have configured. I think Ainara will be adding more models in here, so be more kind of recommended models. So yeah, so or if you want to add a custom one, so just say if you want to go into in here and you want to add just say fireworks, okay, select that. So you would get your API key from the fireworks website, and then you select and then what model you want to install then. So just say if it was this one, DeepSeek V3 on the fireworks models. Okay, and then we will go next. Okay, this is just speech to text. I didn't bother doing anything with this. I just left it the way it was, and there's no need to do anything in this space. Then the native skills in here now. So this is where Ainara. So if you have a local LLM model, and it would, if you're looking for the news and headlines, just say for your area, you will go into the news headlines there and the API. So you have an API key set up, and Ainara will then go from your local model out towards the API to get your news, and then back again. So everything is local, and privacy is there as well for that. So and you can also see that it uses the weather API, it's heavily perplexity, the newspapers, Metaphor, Google, and the finance. Okay, so you can go and validate your keys as well. Um, as you can see, I have all these keys kind of hidden, so you can't see my keys. But okay, and then you can configure an MCP server. I haven't configured one yet, so I'm not too sure what to put in there, but and then you have your shortcuts kind of and then basically talk to Ainara. You hold the space bar. Yeah, just a few little tips there on how to use Ainara and then finish. So look, I'm gonna just close the wizard here now, and Ainara is just gonna load in the background again.